Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. The people of Igbo Shodi community say Frank Irabo, secretary to Benin Traditional Council for Oba Palace, don't join Uwigbe and Friday Anini. They cause trouble for their community for Igbo Shodi. They say that they fight for who go be the Odion way of Igbo Shodi. Make I leave you, make you for hear from the people of Igbo Shodi. We gather here with press men and women. Enjoy the video.
Oba talk by
Ise.
Oba talk by
Ise.
Oba talk by
Ise.
Watota. Yes, I want to welcome our brothers and sisters from the fraternity of the pen and members of or indigenous of Igbo Shodi Nebodi community, indigenous of Igbe community, Igbo Bawaka local government area, and indigenous of Obage community, Ekenwa Road. I welcome you all to this news conference to address the issue of injustice, oppression, and man inhumanity to man. Before I deliver my speech as regarding the rationale behind this press briefing, it is extremely sacrosanct and important for us to hear from members or indigenous of different or representative of different communities that are here with us on this news conference this evening. Thank you.
Microphone to that side.
Greet everybody.
We just hold on. Just hold on.
My name,
Just hold on, sir.
wait, sir. My name
Okay, just hold on. Sorry.
na Pastor Sunday.
Just go again, I beg.
Osahon.
Come again.
Repeat again, sir.
Come again.
My name na Sunday Osahon, the Okayele of Igbo Shodi Nebodi village. Some time ago, we come press like this, we come talk of the injustice wey Mr. Frank Irabo do for our community. How e take scatter our community, divide am into two. E carry paper give people wey no be Edion for community make dem dey pursue us dey go. Yesterday night, they come with the help of some people, they level the entire community. Both gun, cutlass, they enter for 12 o'clock in the night. Before they come, they arrest me, then detain me. But when police come see say the thing wey dem talk all na lie, na police release me. Dem think even till now say I dey for detention because dem bin wan make I just dey there, I no go come out. So while this one dey on, na dem carry one Onoma Amalawa, Stephen Ugugbe, Friday Anini. Who carry dem so? Ugugbe, àwọn àgbọ̀n, Caesar Wafo, Osato Aren Igbineweka wey talk say he enter Edion quadrangle for him mama shoulder. Na dem call their family together. Dem give paper to Unoma. Dem say na him be the new Okagele for Igbo Shodi. And Ugugbe dey fight say he be number 2. The question wey I first ask, wey I first see ask Frank Irabo, say e no good. Frank Irabo no be palace, no be he be the father of the whole Benin. He no be palace. He go talk, he go put paper say na so palace talk am. Then Ugugbe come give am paper say na him be Okagele. If at all you even be Ozupoge, you get power to make Okarele? That one is the question for Benin. The video wey dey air for ITV for back of Ugbe house for near toilet for Uwelu road, dem go hide for back of Ugbe house for near toilet. The video e dey with us. Well, we thank Almighty God. The thing wey dem be dey hide ever since, we don see am. When the issue of who go be Odionwere come up for our community for the year 2012, na Odionwere, the late Odionwere pa Festus Inowo Mayeke Osunde, he come go palace, go report the matter. When palace look into the matter, na palace come talk say really na Inowo Mayeke Osunde supposed to be the Odionwere. Palace come talk say the person wey go be the Ozupogeba na Pa James Agbonile. Person wey go be Ozupogea na Pa John Igbinedion. And person wey go be Ozupogene na Pa Henry Osawao. This one na the judgment of Palace on the 13th June 2012. See am for here. This paper dem give am to Pa Osunde. Pa Osunde no let any person know for community. But even in Pikin Olu, wey be the hide and dey go, those wey know about this document come bring am to us. We don give am to police. We don share am for everywhere. Na the document be this, no na look am well. What does it say? This document, e talk for here from Oba of Benin Palace, Pa Festus Inowo Mayeke Osunde. E go to enable the community of Yan Northeast local government. I'm directed by the Omonoba Nedoku Apolopolo Oba of Benin to refer to your letter dated 26 April 2012, requesting for a copy of Palace decision on the controversy over the Odionwere position in Igbo to enable the community of Yan Northeast local government area, and to say that after much deliberation on the issue by the Omonoba and chiefs, it was resolved that Professor Inowo Mayeke Osunde is the rightful and legitimate person to be the Odionwere of Igbo to enable the community. Consequently, Pa James Agbonile was to assume the position of second in command, Pa John Igbinedion is third in command, and Pa Henry Osawao is fourth in command, respectively. Signed secretary to the Oba of Benin. You see, we can avail you.
Secretary, name.
The name is Oronsaye Gobadia. So we can avail you of the copy. So as we talk to you now vigilante now they escort us, they go river, they go anywhere for community. Ugbe, Caesar, Unoma, Taiwo Igbineweka, all of them, Friday Anini, all of them, they brought troop to our community to destroy everywhere. But we thank God, the thing where they hide from us, where Palace communicate ever since we don't know, we don't see, and we don't give police, we don't give, we say press. Say the person where Palace nominate as the second in command for Palace. Now be this Baba wey dey here, Pa James Agbonile. See the Baba here. The person wey be third, now be this Baba wey dey here, Pa Igbinedion. Person wey be fourth, now be that Baba wey dey for that place, Pa Henry Osawaro. And the Palace ruling, now it be this one.
I beg the date of that letter
Is 13th June 2012. 13th June 2012. This letter not there at our disposal. It was written to Festus Osunde personally, but you know bring a come for community. As this work on day on, people wey dey aware of this letter now come bring a come for us to see. Then we come present today by the grace of God. We want to use this opportunity to beg the state government. We don't write to state government. They don't even call up for government. As they call them, they say they don't. They come. They say they don't go answer government. They call them. They say no go. We want beg the commissioner of police They don't, if you reach our village, you be like saying for a sell bullets. And all this problem, now Frank Irabo, now he create time for us. Frank, now he give me microphone to introduce myself before the monarch. Now he go ITV, go NTA, go EBS, go Ozaba, go Chekele News, go talk say, I will never come palace. He say, another one, he say, I come with my colleague. I dey ask him, which colleague? I not be doctor, I not be lawyer, I not be mechanic. Tell the people, the colleague where I follow, come. The first release, he not counter. Because not be him be palace. Frank not be palace. Frank not be him be father of all Benin. Frank not be Oba. So I want to let everybody know, if anything happen more than this one, I don't feel still talking before, for Igosho the Nebudi community, make the whole Frank Irabo responsible.
Abeg, which people will bring come they shoot all this gun because it's a report like
Unoma, Amalawa, Friday, Amini, Uwadia, Saturday, Uwadia, Sylvie, Uwugbe, Ogbolo, Taiwo, Ifineweka, Victor, Osawe, they plenty. They even they remove the window of our woman leader for village. He picking window. Then they remove, they use torch, they look maybe for shooter for his house. That one not there here today now. They call him name EPA. All of them run enter bush. The chair where we take the sit down for community over 200, they pack up. Where will they sit down? Where will our town hall? Then destroy her. The video is there here. After Ugugbe don't make Unoma, he say he be audio were. He don't be audio were. The person wey see he don't know Frank, he don't be audio were. So Frank not be palace, Frank not be Oba. Now they tell everybody.
I can make ask one question. Yes. These people that they do this mayhem, where they shoot gun for our village, so Nana community people.
Like Unoma not be for our community. Unoma, Amalawa, his papa come from Iguamo, Abia Ikoria. His papa come from Iguamo, the neighboring village. Now there his papa for still chop a dion. According to him, you know, he go show the member. Ugugbe no even, they no initiate enter Edion. We say make it come sue, make it come palace. Come take oath of sincerity. Now he wrong. Now the people wey talk say they be palace, come they talk say they go cover them. This matter happen, man, listen o. E happen, they calculate am when the father of all Benin worldwide, Oba Tope, when he go travel Ologa here, now they say they quick do this thing, may before Omonoba go come back. If not, the matter then important to Omonoba. They not go wait. They say they don't see another one for on top us here. So one let Benin know the atrocity, the whole world know the atrocity where Frank don't carry out, Frank Irabo don't carry out for our community. He made so many brokers and so much things. So Frank not be Oba.
So
Frank not be palace.
I beg, after that first meeting we will not do, they adjourn and subsequently say we gonna come back again.
Oba can't travel. Then they say, if Papa come back, then they call us, we will come see Papa. Now from there, they begin go Ozaba. The palace clear the hair. The Traditional Council Secretary clear the hair. He don't talk this one. He don't talk the other one. See her now. We don't know. They be the hide and they go see her. The correspondent with the right. The ruling from palace to Festus Osunde. Palace don't arrange how he go show the Egloship go be in the time of Oba Erediawa. See her for here. Don't see her. Now the paper be this. We don't give police. Make police give them, make them go palace, go find see her.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Oh, no,
I don't intervene just now. Bros, thank you. Introduce yourself, Baba, and then.
My name, Honorable James Agmaile. I'm a very senior elder in the community. He goes to the Nebudi. Okagile as an ally. Yes, we are aware. The community sat down together, including these people who are dissidents, to appoint him as Okagile of Igoto the Nebugi to serve for 4 years, to be assisted by Kingsley Ibanbe. Along the line, some of these people, they started to grumble because they are jealous of his good work in the community. They now say they don't want him. And the majority of the community said, yes, we have appointed him. He's doing good job for us. They complained. They went to palace. Like he said, we were waiting for the palace to decide or to rule. Along the line, they came from nowhere, making allegations of firearm, threat to life, and all that. They arrested our people, including my good self. But to God be the glory. Well, the police have found us not guilty. So we are now appealing to the government, to the palace, to call these people to order to leave Igosodi in peace. I have said it here before. They should let us organize our community in peace so that development will come in there.
When was the arrest made, sir?
Just last week. Last week.
How many of you had arrested at that time?
Well, we're up to 5.
5 elders of the community.
Yes. Including the Okagile.
6 of them, sir.
So, we are now appealing to the authority to call them to order. Oba Atokwe.
Let's take people from Ikpe communities. Ikpe. You sit down now.
You don't.
Okay, no kagwa na wa ko do wa na. Okay. Can you put it?
Who is that?
I will finish up before one. Okay. No wahala.
Make she come close now. Make she sit down close. People better talk to the one around there.
For Gaida, woman leader, before we take it to another. No, no, carry total you want now.
Mother, you speak.
Woman leader
Hello, total you want. Message I Obaya, where you will sit down now? No, man, I'm pidgin English.
Madam, you introduce yourself. When I say pigeon, sir, when I say pigeon. Your name and the reason why you didn't here today, madam. My name. Why is
When I say good, not just using English.
Cameras.
My name is Patience.
I gave my phone.
Patience.
Where you from?
What's your Nebuti community?
Tell us what happened.
What did bring us come here? So we don't feel come last 2 weeks. Still got talk what did bring us come. So all those people now, Ugbe, Osato Ame, Etawo, Unoma, Friday Anini, Saturday was there. Stevie, Ugbe, Marago. Saturday in the house, Friday in the house. So there are many, all those people when they measure in news. They not let let our community rest in peace and make them get peace and me to say make we say rest in peace so make we get peace. So all those people now make us take on last 2 weeks say make them leave our community alone. May we get this for that community.
I am not changed.
Since when they born me, we never get quarrel, we never get anything for that one. Our community say, now so that they arrest people, now some people they run for house, go they stay inside bush, but then now they say they will use force. And when our former John will later John will Pastor Festus Osunde, when he talk down, he write up for paper. He still talking for community. Everybody here when we go meeting. Say if Ugbe really know say if the second comment, may Ugbe comment our ancestor na be a deal. May he go there go chop cola. Make it sit down for the post. If he know say he not reach his body, he not reach his tongue, make it stay clear. Ugbe say he not go chop. Say that they say he not ready come. As he not ready come, so he not fit do. When the other one start to Igbineweka, if you still not say reach the position reach your tongue, still go chop the cola. Osatu no, he say he no go chop, he no go even enter inside Ogwedion, he no enter the Dion. When they don't say our Dion will don't die now, now they come carry check, come and say, na they can't get authority for Igbo Shodi. And they're ready to scatter everything. They're not there to repair. They say they want spoiler. So that's why it's so. Now we women, now we still come tell the whole world. We still can't tell about Bini, the governor, our governor, Obaseki. So may they help us beg them. May they leave our community. Mostly that Unoma Amalawa. If Papa not come from Igbo Shodi at all. Now from Iguamo, now Papa from come. Papa not get house, he not get land. When he want come carry or carry the content do. Ugbe too, he not still get house, he not get land, he not build house, he not do anything. When he Ugbe want come do for Igbo Shodi say he want come carry Ojo Were. If Ojo Were die na 3 years before they will carry another Ojo Were put. Now 3 years never even reach at all. He never even reach 1 year. Why about them with that now? Then they fight for position. They're not there to repair our community. As other community there, so when they hear their name say, now so this one good, now so this one good. This one and so arrest. Now that they do. When they even call us for state for last 2 weeks, say they want me we settle, then we make peace. Now everybody go, our elders go. Then our James Agbele, many of them like that we follow go. When we reach there now, they begin to arrest. They can't arrest them. We women can't call us. We can't leave our Baba. The other day they still go find our Okagili. And this Okagili now later deal with it. Now he put up for Okagili. Everybody sign. They sign for the paper. When we take put up, even we women we still support as they take put up. Now they say they're not gonna agree again. Now the one where they go they chop, they go they carry Igbo Shodi say now they get am. We will not get what it will be for Igbo Shodi. So now what did they even do last night? So they call our community, they carry killer come. As they carry come now, they call the knock for my mama door. They check where my pikin they sleep. They check the door, check because now iron door dey. And then as they check and finish, they come say they not see way enter. They come find way. Open the levers, begin the carry touch, then they find my pikin whether it's dey bed. They find am now, they not see am. So now they can't go. When they can't go the next house, now my papa house, they can't see my senior brother. My senior brother can't come and say, oh, now they find, they say not be him that they find. So not be that they find, say now they can't go. From there now they go the next compound. My still brother, Monday Edopolo, they still go check the door. They not see him, the door not let them open enter. From there now they can't go community town. They go follow down. As they follow down, they still go where they put their chest. They enter where they put their chest. They break and pack out the whole check. So now Now then Unoma be number one with Friday Anini with Ugbe because now Ugbe the lead they go. They carry all those
Madam,
people
wait. Wait till you want make government do. That's what we want.
What do we make government do not be how they talk so? So we dey beg government. Make they help us. So for all this one when they dey so, make they not come kill us. Fear not they let us come out from our village now. We don't dey go far. We don't dey come out for night.
During the period of dialect of young way, all people make sure say we are dey part and parcel of them. They join the period of dialect of young way. Una see them during the period.
They not join o. They not there. They not be our village.
Wait till be your position for the community.
Woman leader.
Your name again?
Patience Ebisubu.
Thank you.
For your next person, please, because we don't have all of that time. Production time is coming close.
They come from you.
My bros, come. Oga, see. Just go straight to the point.
So let us now finish all that.
All right.
One more. Just one person, sir.
Less than
Are you going to say something?
20 minutes.
How many want to talk again?
How many persons want to talk?
For you, one that community, one man,
Summarize. Just round up. Okay, fine. Hey, wait, just now. You know, say, yeah,
Let's go.
okay, let's go. Sorry, sir. One more, please.
My name is John Ilebo from Ikpe community in Ikubaoka local government.
Okay.
In Ikpe community, we have been living in peace until one fateful day when Mr. Frank Irabor from the palace came once on the 27th of March 2018. Come to our committee, it was on Sunday, and said henceforth the palace is now resolved that one Mr. Egedere is now the new Oka of Ikpe. Which I, John Ilebo, stand and ask him, are you not telling us that Oba sent you to come and tell you this thing? He said no. He said for editing purpose, say we should not video him or record him. Say if we are not satisfied, we should come to palace. Since then, we are trying to come to the palace and ask if really something like that has happened. But Frank Irabor will just block our way not to get there. Anything that John Way said in the community, those people that they come out, those people that he come and it's not there, they don't let John Way work again. That place has been a problem. They have destroyed the house, our house. Nobody is doing anything there. We want government Omonoba of Binioba Atokpe to let us come and ask if he is the one that even said, not that I'm questioning the Oba, he is the one that even said for Irabor to come and install Oka in Ikpe. Which we have tried to make some requirement from chiefs. No one said nothing like that. We want Oba, the governor, and the whole world to know what Frank Irabor has scattered our community from 2018 to date. Oba Atokpe.
Thank you very much.
See, bro, that's they impose Ojo way on Nana. They impose Oka.
Yes, and we have it.
Don't talk now.
Okay, it's okay, sir.
It's okay.
Next person.
Don't talk.
Miss them.
27th March 2018.
Last one. Last one.
Just go straight to the point.
All right. By your name?
Sunday Onyemese, Opage community along Ekewan Road, village. Councillor of Abia Northeast local government area.
Okay. Go ahead. What bring you come here?
The reason why I come, sir, to tell the government and the Oba no to hear it. Ever since the matter being settled in that palace, Oba tell James Igbinadolo to bring the elder son to come and swear. Since 2017, up till now, he didn't do it. Then, ending of 2017, we were surprised to see this paper. The read from 2018, 2018, we were surprised to see this paper. The read from, signed by Frank Irabo. And we therefore say, who is this man that did it? Tell him Frank Irabo. He said, Oba have approved. But Oba said, this one is dragging for Odiowere. James Igbinadolo is driving for Odiowere. Stephen Osaiti Onyewese is driving for Odiowere. And we get how our forefather, father, he elect people to be Odiowere. Or when I ask them, Odiowere, I saw my Obianagi. So, sir, the reason why I come to government, please, I need help. Oba now never signed. Oba tell Frank, he said he should tell James Igbinadolo whenever he's going to do that swearing in Ogwejo, Stephen Osaiti Onyewese will be there. Up till now, he didn't do that. As I'm saying now, or saying all this, sir, the life of the people in the village is at risk. He's arresting people here and there, selling the people land that is shared by their different family, taking the money to the police, using police from state CID, using police from AIG, using palace chiefs against the citizens of the village. Now, as I'm talking, I don't go to the village again. I face court. Already the matter is in court. I took the matter to court. I was one of the ex-chairman of that community. And now I'm an elder. I'm more than 68 years now. Thank you, sir. My demand now, sir, is that this man, James Igbinadolo, he should be, the Oba and the government should now, Oba Seki, should call him. Why should you do so? To order. That's all, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Carry your camera. Shoot your camera.
Your name and your Saturday.
Wait, sir. Let's go.
Oh,
Okay, let's go, sir.
Enigure ma ọrùdé lẹ́tà àwọn Frank Irabo ní James Igbinadolo ìyàgbé lẹ́tà náà gbà máa di ìgbàgbẹ́ máa náà yẹ gbọ́ ẹ̀ ọmọ ọ̀nà wẹ̀ orí ìbáṣe yẹn ọjọ́ wẹ̀ yẹn á dùn ún bímọ ní Stephen Onyewese ní ọdún wẹ̀ náà di ọ̀rẹ́ Igbinadolo ẹ̀ yọ ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ni màá gbọ́n náà ọmọ ẹ̀ dùn ún bímọ wáyé pàmòdì wẹ̀ Frank Irabo náà yàrá lẹ́tà ní Igbinadolo ìyàgbé wẹ́ẹ̀yàn ọ̀dìọ̀wé ọ̀rẹ́ ọ̀bàgé kẹ́lẹ́ adé tuntun náà ti máa kó èso yẹ gbọ́ ẹ̀ máa gbé lẹ́tà ìyá jẹ́ sẹ́kìnà mọ́jẹ sọ́ọ́sẹ̀ mọ́nà yà á dé wọn náà bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ní awẹ́ nọmọ́ ńlá ọ̀ náà wúyọ bọ̀ ní ma bíkọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà jẹ́ náà máa ní ìdíyẹ̀wò wọ́n á jí màá rí làìbò lùdé lẹ́tà náà ní Igbinadolo ọ̀yẹ́ polisi mú ni màá ní ìdíyẹ̀wò ìpín màá yé court ọmọ ẹ̀sọ́ ọ̀ìbí tọ́ksì lọ ìgbèlí àná polisi àdómú ọgbọ́ isi lè ní àwẹ̀ ìyá ya fi lo isi ara sí ẹ́ polisi wo ògè náà òkèkè àìré ẹ̀jọ̀jì má yà ìzígó kwá so ẹlẹ́ta náà ẹ máa gbẹ́nà mọ́ gbé máa gẹ̀ díyàn gẹ́lẹ̀ rí ẹ̀bẹ́ náà ìtàmì Frank Irabo náà rí ẹ̀bẹ́ náà Igbinadolo because any money ebo here without omanokpa erewa oba no bo yen ebueku no ahon ebota gbona ya fefefe so se mana be tu bo ade no we yo boni ma
Oba
So, okay, Ima, Ima won't talk first. No, it's okay,
No,
baby,
sit
wait.
down. Oba and Tabi.
Gentlemen, we are all out here to share our level of disappointment on the characterized activities of the Secretary to the Palace. First, we are already aware that Frank Irabor is the Secretary of Benin Traditional Council. And second, because we all know in Benin here that those offices are saddled with the responsibility of administrating the affairs of each and every community as the case may be. But from information within our disposal, we are aware that Frank Irabor, takes delight in selling statements from the palace to willful buyers. Buyers who are interested, and most of these buyers happen to be those people who are aspiring to be either Ojonwe or Okaigele in their various communities or Okawos in their various communities as the case may be. And what this is further showing to the society and the people is that those people who want to develop such communities, who are having interest to develop such communities, are subjected to face the hardship and the activities of land grabbers, selling lands to more than one person, aiding these people to take over lands that do not belong to them in their various communities, land that are owned by families who have lived there from time immemorial. Just as I speak to you, Frank Irabor has carried out activities to rewrite judgments, decisions of what our monarch of blessed memory, of Erediawa, have given. He takes delight in rewriting back those judgments. He also takes delight in collecting large sums of monies, exotic gifts, all in a bid because he wants to ensure that he enrich himself before his tenure as the secretary to the palace, to the Benin Traditional Council is over. So we are using this medium, having elaborated this far, to call on constituted authorities, the Benin Traditional Council, to, as a matter of urgent public importance, call Frank Irabor and his culprits who are setting a high pace of unrest in our Benin communities to order. Let it be known also that if the relevant authorities decide to keep mute while all this happens, they are only creating room for our communities to be in a state of anarchy. They are only creating rooms for our communities to be in a state of anyhow. And we all know the ripple effects to this sort of act. Once again, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and God bless you all. Oba Atokpe.
Oba Atokpe.
Take when you're standing speech.
Sorry. As gentlemen of the press, as you can see, that we have a representative of different communities in our press briefing today. Representative of Obage community, Ekenwa Road, representative of Ikpe community, Baoka local government area, and we have elders, youths women of Igbo-Sodi Nebudin community in our press today. As you are fully aware that we are promoters of peace, justice and equity, we have decided to join the Oba of Benin, Omonoba Nedu Ukwa Kolokolo, Oba Ewe II, to ensure that there is peace, there is concord and tranquility in our communities. Today, some communities are like war zone. Developers cannot peregrinate to the communities to buy land and develop communities. If the community today there is crisis, the community indicted the secretary to Benin Traditional Council, Frank Irabo. Obage community, Ekewa Road, also indicted Frank Irabo. Igbo-Sodi Nebudi community also indicted Frank Irabo. There is a Latin magazine that says, Vox Populi, Vox Dei. The voice of the people is the voice of God. My brother Frank Irabo is not the only person in the palace. Why will these people decide to indict Frank Irabo in all the higgledy, the pliggy, in all the imbroglio, pandemonium, Uga Muga in the community? When we addressed the press last week, Frank Irabo, that is supposed to respond to the allegations leveled against him that the people of Igbo-Sodi Nebudi community contracted 147 Ugbo to respond. We are not saying that is Curtis Ugbo, the secretary to Benin Traditional Council, or the chief press secretary to the palace. All we are saying is that we want peace in the community. We want to say that the secretary to Benin Traditional Council should respond to the allegations leveled against him by Igbo-Sodi Nebudi community, by Ikpe community, by Obage community. We are sick and tired. I want to reiterate that the activities of Frank Irabo should be investigated. We want to use this medium to appeal to the Oba of Benin to set up an independent panel of inquiry to investigate or to ascertain the verisimilitude, the veracity, and the veritude of the very, very weighty allegations leveled against the secretary to Benin Traditional Council, Frank Irabo. In palace, there is justice. In palace, there is equity. In palace, there is good conscience. We, as the good people of Benin Kingdom, have contributed to the development of the kingdom. We will not be mute when things are degenerating into a state of anarchy, a state of chaos, a state of there is fire on the mountain. Run, 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 run. We need peace. We need justice. We need tranquility. We need concord. Oba Atokpe! Interview.
Don't do now.
Okay, no, you get what you want to talk. No, I just instant. I get what you want to talk.
Abeg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.